In this video, I'll show you how to summarize a YouTube video using ChatGPT. This is perfect if you want to save time and get straight to the point. First, open YouTube and find the video you want to summarize. Scroll down under the video and tap Show Transcript. The transcript will appear on the right side. Click the three dots and select Toggle Timestamps to remove time codes. Now select all the text and copy it. Open ChatGPT. Paste the transcript and type something like, "Summarize this YouTube video using bullet points." Press Enter. ChatGPT will instantly generate a clear summary. If the transcript is too long and ChatGPT won't accept it, there's an easier option. Install a YouTube summary or transcript Chrome extension. Open the video, expand the transcript, and click the ChatGPT icon. It automatically sends the transcript to ChatGPT and creates a summary. And that's it. 2 simple ways to summarize any YouTube video with ChatGPT. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more AI tips.